Hello guys, welcome to Danny Man 109. Got it today, the PSN VR2. And I've got this guy here.
What's up?
Yeah, it's my birthday today, so paid a bit of it.
He's an old bag.
Ah, 27's not that old, is it?
No.
Not yet. Then
I'm a cat.
Liam's gonna be the cameraman.
Welcome to his room as well.
I'm using left scissors on the right side.
GTA post. Oh, does that look saucy?
Quite small. Right.
Better than
I've
this.
seen some people having struggle with this. So maybe.
Can you get it
Oh
out?
yeah, there we go. Maybe I've just got amazing fingertips.
Oh, he's good with his fingers.
Look at that. How people say it was really hard.
I bet.
It was well easy for me.
No, right.
Right. Sorry about that. There it is.
The VR2, ladies and gentlemen.
Just trying to get a good angle.
Yes,
Right,
can
we've got two tapes at the back. What I need to be careful with. Because I need to keep this a stormont. Because I don't have exactly any room left set there. Might actually go there. Might use scissors again. I should use a knife. Because a knife will be much easier.
Very true.
Oh, that's not even that hard.
That's what she said.
Me just turning that corner and you just said that.
Oh dear.
Yeah, put some light on.
There's his cards over there.
Yeah, these are my birthday cards. I know this might be copyright, but it's Gravity. I haven't seen it yet. I like space, so it's fine. Is there any aliens in it? Or it's just...
I can't remember, to be honest.
I'll have to find out. Right. Well, there's some manual thing at the back. We'll look at that. Get at the back. Oh, take over. So I can show this bit. Yeah. Right. We've got it all that out. Now we realise what you do here. You basically just open it. That's all you do. You didn't need to have the whole thing out. But you can use this as a stormont. And in here you got wires. Oh, you got a headset. Little headset. That's quite good. That'll be handed.
Yeah.
I'll put that in there so I don't mess this up. And I'm not saying that straight away. Because I'm going to go mark. So there for controllers. And that is the headset. I will keep updating the post, so you might see me on the VR when Liam records me or something. Anyway, subscribe and give it a like, and go subscribe his channel. I know you don't post anything, but go subscribe him.
I will be back on soon.
Yeah, he's just busy at the minute.
Life and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm here, I'm 27 now. Life goes on.
We're both now 27.
Just wait for James to turn 27 and that's it.
Yeah.
And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Peace.